So the Blackview Active 12 Pro would have a rival very soon, and this rival will be coming from Ulefone. In fact, Ulefone would announce the rival at the IFA Berlin 2025 event, which is to be held from the 5th to the 9th of September. The name of the device is the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra, and just like the Blackview Active 12 Pro, this device would feature a built-in projector. Anyway, let's explore its top features and specs. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates, especially rugged phone updates. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the Armor Pad 5 Ultra has a thickness of 27.8 millimeters and it weighs 1.6 kg. The device meets IP68, IP69K and military standard 810H certifications, making it impervious to dust, water and rough handling. A massive 24,200 mAh battery powers this beast with impressively fast 120 watts charging, and the device also supports 10 watts reverse charging, which means you could charge other devices with the Armor Pad 5 Ultra. Its standout feature, as I mentioned earlier, is its built-in projector. The projector has a brightness of about 200 lumens and a resolution of 960 by 540 pixels, which means that the projector of the Active 12 Pro has a much more higher resolution because the Active 12 Pro could project 1080p footage. Under the hood, the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7400X octa-core 5G processor, buttressed by 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, expandable up to 2 TB via microSD card, which promises serious power. This means that the Armor Pad 5 Ultra would be a much more powerful rugged tablet than the Blackview Active 12 Pro, because the Active 12 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 7300. The tablet also has an 11-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display, boasting a 90Hz refresh rate and 600 nits of brightness. In the camera department, the device features a dual rear camera setup, including a 64MP main shooter and a 64MP night vision sensor. And on the front is a 32MP selfie shooter. Additional features includes dual super bright 1000 lumen camping light, a headphone jack and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Now, as regarding pricing and launch, the device, as I mentioned earlier, will debut at the IFA 2025 event and would launch in October. It is expected to retail around $599 with a projector-free Armor Pad 5 Pro sibling available for about $499. That's right, guys. The Armor Pad 5 Ultra would not be the only rugged tablet that Ulefone would announce. Ulefone would also announce the Armor Pad 5 Pro. The Pad 5 Pro would not have a built-in projector, only the Pad 5 Ultra would have that feature. Anyway, once I get more details about these upcoming rugged tablets, I'll definitely share with you guys, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.